Welcome back to Ask and Ask Isana apho sitha ngeendaba zabantu esingabuzwanga ulapha nje uthandazana naqala.
Hayi ke sana bantasi kwi-episode ezayo that's coming Thursday kuyaboniswa uMsiliku uhleli nosista kaThobile umdala. Kulapho ke uMsiliku akhalaza khona. Usista kaThobile yamxelela hayibo, it's not like uThobile akanayo ingane. uThobile unayo ingane and uThobile wakhulelwa. I'm not guy one. uMsiliku uthi uyayazi yena ukuthi uThobile waye kunesimo esinjena usezawusikhuluma. And I'm like, what do you mean? Uyayazi, what is it that you know exactly? And umakhuma okay, also uSamke met umamkhulu. uSamke is asking umamkhulu ukuthi hayibo uMthombeni babuya nini ekhaya kaloku bekukudala ngoko. Ndithi athi umamkhulu bana uyagyarha. Ikhokhomelene vele yatshintsha ubuso sana same time guys. Andifuna uphinda ndifake ii-clips zaka-YouTube andiyazi into yokwenza njani because uYouTube unstrikile. If you notice, I have removed some other videos even though I was doing a commentary, but uYouTube uye wandistrike ndize ndifakela just ii-voices zabo but ndibe ndishintshe yonke into. It's just for you guys to banive babe kusithwani. Other than that, yeah, masidiba ne-comment section bethunani. Iindaba kulo mzi ziyaphokoka everyday zintsha, kuneendaba ezintsha.
Ngodaba likaMakhwela ngoba kwenza ahlangana amakhosikazi
abafuni nokizwa leyo nto.
Phela ungihlebele empempe ubaba umdunge bazobuya ne uyajaha.
Njengoba nginesithembu angifuna abafazi kuphela, ngifuna abafazi nezingane.
Thobile, it's not like akazali naye ingane ukhuleliwe several times.
One day ngiyokhuluma ngisho ukuthi yini eyenza abe nale challenge.
sikhona into ebenhle
Hawu bafethu asikhulume ngezicathulo zikaba uMsiliku ezi-white. Yeah, ezinamakhonco. And then I wonder yintoni le azayikhuluma lo tata. Bethunani. I wonder uThobile nje uthiwa unayo ingane bayasiconfuse purpose lo kanye benzani. Hayi nathi siyazithanda indaba zabantu but ke bazizisa ukuthi singabacela guys masiphinde ke comment section ke sixoxeni masixoxeni mandasi.